Hi, I think there is a problem with the lens of the camera. Uh, you can see this film. I've just clicked this photo 15 or 20 minutes ago, and this image is very blurry. You can't even see the person's face, and even the objects are very blurry. So, just to show you uh, this once again, that there's something like wrong with the camera. You can see this photo, the image is very blurry. Now the lens is clean, even this is clean. Just clean it once again, and now I'm going to just click one photo, and I'm going to show that one photo as well, just to like show that there might be some issues with the lens, or I don't know where the issue is. So I'm just clicking one more photo so that I'll attach one more video now.
Carolina pure